Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a sweatshirt on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and tap to the clothing option and click to the sweatshirt, the last option. Here you have more chains if you want to add pictures or more particular files to your project. Just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and more files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, frames and more. If you go to the design section you can find it different templates and styles which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just tap to the brown square icon next to the design section and select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move. You can edit this text color. Just select square which what color you want to edit, and select another color and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.